back again to talk about one important concept. When we're talking about international law, we could be talking about either public international law or private international law, or some combination of the two. So these are different areas of jurisprudence, another fancy word for the study of law, which have related but really different impacts. And so it's going to be important for you to understand the underlying concept. Private international law, you might actually find it in textbooks as referred to as conflict of laws. So private international law or conflict of laws is the same kind of area. These refer to the legal principles and the rules that govern cross-border disputes between private individuals. So private legal personalities, whether that's human beings, entities of some sort, or companies. Private international law is all about the kind of issues that we've been talking about when it comes to jurisdiction, about choosing the right kind of law. It's about recognition and enforcement of foreign judgments, and also about cross-border transactions and contracts. The ambition or the objectives of private international law are to determine which countries' laws and which courts or fora should apply in a particular case, where we've got companies from different countries or different places, different territories. So that's private international law. What's public international law? So when we're talking about public international law, we're talking about the legal framework that governs relationships between sovereign states and international organization. Public international law deals with issues like international human rights, the laws of which apply to the way that treaties work, things like law of the sea, diplomatic relationship, and probably the one you're seeing in the news the most often at the moment, laws relating to wars or to the use of force. The aim of public international law is to regulate the conduct of states and to ensure peace and stability in the international community. So in summary, private international law is about private disputes between individuals or legal personalities in different places, and public international law deals with the relationship between those sovereign states and the international organizations on matters of global concern. So keep that in your head as you work through the materials going forward. Questions, concerns, compliments, frustrations, you know where to find me. Cheers.